Where'd it go? Wait, you're videotaping this, aren't you?
You are?
I just realized that. Dude, she just got me eating.
Oh, now he's kissing you.
Nah, don't speak like that.
Dude, I'm not into bestiality.
Everyone knows. I'm just saying.
Ow! You hit me.
Hey! He's not you around the chin. Or else I'm gonna kill you.
Where'd the shoe come from? There's always a random shoe up here.
Cause a shoe. Not a shoe.
Lauren!
Haven't hit the fireplace, Daddy!
No, it didn't.
Don't laugh. That was really funny.
It's not a good habit to start lying, Lauren.